Hey everyone, Mike here. I gotta do a quick chlorine, see what my chlorine levels are in the pool. I'll test the pH while I'm at it. Normally I would take it to the pool store and have an in-depth analysis done. Yesterday when my kids were in the pool, my oldest got out and it looked like he had a chemical burn from the chlorine in the pool, and I just shocked it pretty good the day before. So the chances of the chlorine levels being a little too high are probably pretty good. So I'm going to test it with this handy little kit that I bought, and we'll see what it says. So first thing I do is I just fill it up to this line right here, put in a couple drops. Five drops to be exact. Then I just close it up and I compare the colors. And my chlorine levels are rather high. I like to keep it at 1 to 2 parts per million. This is pushing 5 to 10 parts per million. And that could be bad. My oldest has always had some sensitive skin issues since he was born. And we'll check the pH next. Same idea. And we'll test that. And according to this, my pH, I don't know if you can, it's hard to see. My pH is on the low side, so I'll have to bring that up some. But definitely got to do something with the chlorine before I let anybody else in the pool. So, quick, simple, do it yourself at home chlorine test for those of you who have pools. Take care. See you later. Bye.